How has your internship experience been so far?
I've been working alongside the FRS 17 team and it's been a really fun experience so far. I've got to learn a lot in a short time.
It has been an exciting journey so far. Since in university, it's only about theoretical knowledge, but here in Badri, I got the chance to practically implement my knowledge into the real world.
My experience has been great. मैं डेटा साइंस टीम में काम कर रहा हूँ एंड मुझे सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिला. I've been working on an actual project, तो वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग मेरे लिए स्विच अप था फ्रॉम द यूजुअल यूनिवर्सिटी कोर्सेज दैट काफ़ी theoretical होते हैं. उसमें इतना मज़ा नहीं आता. यहाँ पे काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है. एक्चुअल आपको काम मिलता है, तो it's an interesting insight into the actual corporate world.
I was pretty nervous at first, but my team has been really welcoming. Everyone at Badri has been really welcoming. And I've also worked at a real data client. So it's actually been really fun.
The internship experience has been really insightful, and I'm grateful to have been provided an opportunity to implement my theoretical knowledge to real life problems and scenarios. The team has been also been very supportive, be it in terms of challenges or in terms of advice.
What are you hoping to gain or experience in the remaining 4 weeks?
So basically we're going to have our trainings in the coming weeks. So I'm really hoping to deep dive into reserving and pricing to get more knowledge and to be able to be more helpful around the team.
In the remainder of this internship, I aim to enhance my technical as well as analytical skills through networking, understanding industry dynamics, as well as finding a balance between studies and work.
So in the remaining 4 weeks, I am hoping to further enhance my knowledge of IFRS 17 implementation on the financial statements.
अगले 4 हफ्तों में I'm basically hoping to learn more about the actual side of stuff, reserving, pricing. ये सब हम papers वगैरह में नहीं सीखते, तो उसका ज़रा मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ basically.
In the next few weeks, I'm hoping to complete the articles that I've been working on and polish up my Excel skills a bit and also learn about reserving.